everyone, and it's time for a flip and drag. This is a 10 by 20 canvas. I already laid the white down, save some time, make our videos a little shorter. And I'm using all of the Jerry's Artorama paint, Creative Inspirations, the big jugs that are on sale for $14.99. I bought several of the colors, so I'm just doing flip and drags with them today to test them. I have some products coming from a couple of companies that I'll be doing some test videos on as well. We'll see how they work before you buy. How's that sound? No sense everybody wasting their money, right? No, I'm just kidding. From what I've been working with these today, this is my third painting with these today. They are awesome. The cells are great. And of course I used the treadmill silicone, 2 drops in each color. I like my cells. I don't think I would... well, I've never done painting without cells, so I don't know how I would react if I didn't have any cells. So I'm gonna do 4 colors in this one, and I'm gonna start with the Van Dyke Brown. Just to cover the bottom of the cup. And I'm gonna follow that with this is light green. Some of them I would give them different names for the color, especially after you've been using other brands. The colors are different. And I think we'll follow that with the yellow. And this one is Cad Yellow Light. Alright, and this one is Viridian. This one was really thick. It took a lot of Floetrol to thin this one down. I'm not one to put a lot of water in my paint because it breaks the binder down. So I like my acrylics to stay acrylic. Does that make sense? Probably not. I'm just picky. How's that sound? Okay, I'm going to pop it in the middle. I've never done a painting with these colors. It's probably going to be horrendous. Because I just don't know how brown and green would look together with yellow. And of course we're going to get some blending of those greens and yellow, so it might be fugly. Just warning you. That's why I'm here to experiment for you. Okay. These all drop to the bottom now. So I'm just going to glide this on top of the white. Try not to scrape the canvas. And when I come back, then we'll swing through. Oh, I hear canvas. And I ran out of paint. So that means I have to go get some more. I always dip my cup in the white before I go back. Don't know why. Habit. Okay. They actually don't look too bad together. Thought we'd have a bunch of mud. I think if I move it around, we'll be alright. The cells are cool. Okay, let me set that for a minute. I got a spot up there that's a little bare. So I'm just going to pick up some paint to help it along when I move it. I think that's good. Let's get a torch. There they come. There they are. Cells, cells, cells. Look at all the ones that came up. Cool, huh? Okay, let's do some tilting. I think I'm going to pop this off the side. I don't like that gob of green there. Let me stretch a little bit first. I always like to stretch just a little bit, just to blend some more colors in. Sometimes it'll open up more cells too. You don't want to do too much though. And this one I'm just going to ever so gently lift the end of the canvas to let that go over the edge. I don't know if that's going to go or not. Come on. It's like molasses. Bring it back down. Because now that it's grabbed on the edge, it'll stay there. And this is coming down just a little bit. I kind of like this through here. I think that's good right there. Those two greens and yellow made another green, which is so pretty. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we get. You know I'm going to airbrush, so. Oh, here's the other thing I want to talk to you guys about. A lot of you do not like the music that I play on my videos. I'm sorry, I can't help it. YouTube does not offer a lot of choices in music that's royalty free. We can't play songs because of copyright, so I have to use what they give me. And when I'm doing a flip cup or a dirty pour on a 12 by 12, I want it to be fast and simple so that you guys can just enjoy something without listening to me go on and on about stuff. And it's easier for me to just throw something down and play with it a little bit and not have the pressure of trying to figure out what I'm going to talk to you guys about. if that's what I mean, I guess. So if you don't want to listen to it, when I post the videos, I put musical flip cup or a musical dirty pour. Shut your volume off if you don't want to listen to the music. That's just the warning. That's why I do that. So now you'll know that. I got a few comments that were like, the music. I can't help it. They don't have much to choose from that will fill up a video. And I don't have royalty-free music that I can use. So that's all I can use. And like I said, I don't always want to talk. So I'm sorry if the music offends you, but now you'll know, because I just told you, that if you don't want to listen to the music, before you push play, or before you click on that video, turn your volume down. But I'm trying to find prettier music, but it means I have to make a longer video, which I don't want to do. A musical flip cup should be under 5 minutes, to me. Because if it was going to be 10 minutes, I might as well just do like I'm doing here and talk to you. So, that's all I want to say. The rude comments do not bother me. My skin is a little thicker than that. But it's... And I don't want to be rude to you and say, duh, you have a volume button. Not that I would say, duh. But my husband speaking, duh, they have a volume button. I'm not that rude, so. You know, I really like this. I really like those greens and brown together with that hint of yellow on these edges. Let me torch it, and I'm going to let you guys take a look at it. This will be definitely something different for the Etsy shop when I get all these varnished. And of course, this probably won't show up on Etsy till probably May. Maybe June. I do cure my paintings quite a while before I post them for sale. Unless they're commission pieces, they get preference. Okay, let me pop her up and you can take a look. Isn't that neat how the brown, I don't know if you can see that yellow on the edges of that brown. It's kind of cool. I'm using these daylight bulbs, so they're much better than the other ones I had. But see, then you get another whole color scheme on this end. But there is some brown in there, and as it dries, the brown will probably show up better when it gets darker. But yeah, I'm loving that. I think it's pretty. So, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. And click on the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Don't care where you share it to. Leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. You'll get to see these dried pieces. And check out my Etsy shop, Christina Welch Art. I have some paintings and jewelry and hand-painted beads. And there'll be a lot more paintings coming very, very soon. We're actually going to be working on them tomorrow. So have a great day, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.